Outer space, the final frontier, holds secrets that could leave even the most ardent skeptics questioning reality. As we gaze into the inky abyss, we can't help but ponder the enigmas that lurk within its vast expanses. The universe we inhabit is an intricate tapestry of cosmic wonders, teeming with galaxies, nebulae, and stars, each holding their own unique mysteries. But perhaps the most tantalizing question of all is this: are we alone? The universe is so vast, so unimaginably enormous, that the possibility of extraterrestrial life seems not just plausible but highly probable. Imagine, if you will, worlds beyond our reach, teeming with life forms we can barely comprehend. Beings that defy our understanding of biology, that challenge our very definition of life. These aren't mere figments of science fiction. The search for extraterrestrial life is a scientific endeavor, one that has captured the imagination of researchers worldwide. Scientists tirelessly scan the skies, probing the dark corners of the cosmos, hoping to catch a whisper, a signal, a sign that we are not alone. Consider the concept of aliens, a term that conjures up images of little green men or monstrous creatures. But the reality could be far stranger, or perhaps more mundane than we can possibly imagine. These otherworldly beings could be microscopic organisms, thriving in the icy moons of distant planets, or colossal intelligent entities, dwelling in the heart of alien supercities. Yet as we delve deeper into the cosmos, we're met with more questions than answers. Each discovery, each revelation, only serves to deepen the enigma, and with every passing day, the mysteries of outer space continue to baffle and bewilder, to enthrall and enchant. So, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of the unknown, gazing out into the cosmic void. As we embark on this journey of exploration and discovery, we invite you to join us. For if the universe is so big, isn't it a bit arrogant to think we're the only ones here? The existence of aliens has always been a topic of heated debate. What's the truth behind the tales of strange lights in the sky, unusual shapes moving in the night, or the whispered stories of encounters with beings not of this world? Let's dive in and analyze these claims. Throughout history, there have been countless stories of alleged alien encounters. From the infamous Roswell incident in 1947 to the more recent sightings of unidentified flying objects by U.S. Navy pilots, these accounts have fueled the imaginations of many. Some people ardently believe they've had personal encounters with extraterrestrial beings. These claims range from peaceful dialogues to harrowing abductions. Yet despite the multitude of stories, concrete evidence remains elusive. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the scientific perspective. Scientists largely agree that the universe is so vast, with billions upon billions of galaxies, each teeming with countless stars and planets, that the odds seem in favor of the existence of extraterrestrial life. However, the key word here is life. This could mean anything from microscopic organisms to intelligent beings capable of advanced technology. Yet the question remains, if such life does exist, why haven't we found it yet? Or why hasn't it found us? This conundrum is known as the Fermi paradox. Many theories have been proposed to solve this paradox, ranging from the idea that intelligent life is extremely rare or short-lived, to the possibility that advanced civilizations are simply avoiding us. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been ongoing for decades, with scientists scanning the cosmos for signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. So far, these efforts have come up empty, but the search continues. Whether you're a believer or not, the possibility of extraterrestrial life is fascinating. The quest to answer the question, are we alone in the universe, is one that will continue to captivate us for generations to come. Humanity's quest to find other intelligent life forms in the universe is far from over. For decades, scientists and researchers have been striving to answer one fundamental question: are we alone in this vast cosmos? Organizations like SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have dedicated their existence to this pursuit. SETI's main approach is to scan the skies, listening for radio signals from distant star systems. These signals, if we were ever to detect them, could be the evidence we need to prove that intelligent life exists beyond our pale blue dot. Then there's NASA. NASA's exoplanet exploration program is another promising avenue in the search for extraterrestrial life. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Some of these may sit in the habitable zone, a region around a star where conditions could potentially allow for the existence of liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Scientists use powerful telescopes to study these distant worlds, looking for signs of an atmosphere or other indicators that could suggest the presence of life. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in late 2021, is one such tool. With its advanced infrared capabilities, it's hoped that Webb will provide scientists with a wealth of new exoplanet data to analyze. But the search isn't limited to just these methods. Researchers are also exploring the use of other technologies like laser signals and even artificial intelligence to aid in the hunt for aliens. It's a field of study that is constantly evolving, driven by our insatiable curiosity and our boundless imagination. While we've yet to make that groundbreaking discovery, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is far from a fruitless endeavor. Every day, we learn more about our universe and our place within it. Each new discovery, each new technique brings us one step closer to potentially answering that age-old question. We may not have found them yet, but the search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues. Aliens have invaded not just our skies, but our screens too. They've become a staple in our movies, TV shows, and books, shaping our perceptions of life beyond Earth. From H.G. Wells's War of the Worlds that terrified listeners with an alien invasion back in the late 19th century, to the iconic E.T. the Extraterrestrial that touched our hearts in the 80s, the portrayal of aliens has come a long way. In the realm of cinema, we've seen a gamut of extraterrestrial beings. Movies like Alien and Predator have given us spine-chilling creatures that haunt our nightmares, while Star Wars and Star Trek introduced us to a plethora of diverse alien races, some friendly, some not so much. These portrayals have often reflected our own fears and hopes about the unknown, using aliens as a metaphorical mirror to our own society. On the small screen, shows like Doctor Who and The X-Files have made aliens a part of our living rooms. They've shown us the possibility of peaceful coexistence, as well as the potential threats that could lurk in the cosmos. In literature, authors have used aliens to explore various themes, from exploring the concept of otherness in Mary Shelley's Frankenstein to the exploration of morality in Orson Scott Card's Ender's Game. Aliens have served as powerful tools for thought experiments. The influence of pop culture on our perceptions of aliens cannot be overstated. It has shaped our collective imaginations, our theories, and even our scientific pursuits. It's not just entertainment, it's a reflection of our deep-seated curiosity about the universe and our place in it. However, it's crucial to remember that these are all works of fiction. While they may inspire us to look to the stars and wonder, they are the product of human imagination. The real nature of extraterrestrial life, if it exists, remains to be discovered. From terrifying monsters to friendly visitors, aliens in pop culture reflect our hopes and fears about the unknown. Have you ever wondered what would happen if aliens discovered Earth before we discovered them? A question that has tickled the minds of many. Let's dive into the realm of possibilities and picture the scenarios that might unfold. Imagine for a moment that our first contact with extraterrestrial beings is a peaceful one. They come in peace, bearing knowledge and technology far beyond our understanding. We would be like children, wide-eyed and eager to learn from our cosmic tutors. The advancements in science and technology could be exponential, propelling us into an era of unimaginable progress. Our understanding of the universe would be radically transformed and our place in it redefined. But what if the encounter is not so friendly? What if these alien beings view us not as equals, but as a lesser species, or worse, a threat? This scenario, while distressing, is equally possible. We could find ourselves in a situation akin to the many science fiction movies we've seen, where Earth becomes the battleground for survival. Our resilience, unity, and resourcefulness would be tested like never before. Regardless of the nature of the encounter, the discovery of an alien civilization would undoubtedly have a profound impact on society. It would challenge our religious beliefs, our philosophies, and our understanding of life itself. It could unite us as a species, realizing that we are all Earthlings in the grand scheme of the cosmos, or it could further divide us as we grapple with the implications of such a discovery. The potential impact on science is equally significant. It would be a validation of the theory that life can exist elsewhere in the universe and a catalyst for further exploration and study. It would open up new fields of research and provide answers to questions we have yet to ask. It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? What if we're the aliens to someone else out there? As we gaze into the stars, we're reminded that we are but a tiny speck in the vast cosmic ocean, And who knows, maybe we are not alone.